In line with the requirements of the law, the Commission is under legal obligation to publish notices for major elections not later than 360 days before the date fixed for the election. In compliance with the law, the Commission has approved the timetable and schedule of activities for the Ekiti and Osun State governorship elections. The last governorship elections in the two states were held in June and July 2022. The 4-year tenure of the governors will end next year. For Ekiti State, the election will be held on Saturday, 20th July 2026. However, party primaries will start on 20th October 2025 and end on 10th November 2025 to enable political parties upload their nomination forms to the dedicated portal, which automatically shuts down by 6 p.m. on 22nd December 2025. That is not later than 180 days before the election. The final list of candidates will be published on 18th January 2026, while campaign in public by political parties will commence on 21st January 2026 and end 24 hours before election day. In the case of Osun State, the election will be held on Saturday, 8th August 2026. Party primaries will start on 24th November 2025 and end on 15th December 2025. The portal for the upload of nomination forms by political parties closes at 6 p.m. on 9th February 2026. That is not later than 180 days before the election as provided by law. The final list of candidates will be published on the 9th of March 2026, while campaign in public by political parties will commence on the 11th of March 2026 and end 24 hours before the election day. The detailed timetable and schedule of activities for the Ekiti and Osun State governorship elections have been uploaded to our website and social media platforms for guidance of political parties and for public information. The Commission is aware of the concern expressed by some Nigerians about the pending by-elections and the resumption of the continuous voter registration nationwide. The number of by-elections has now risen to 17. We are aware of the urgency to commence the continuous voter registration, particularly in view of the forthcoming governorship election in Anambra State. We want to assure Nigerians that we are finalizing our preparations for both activities, the details of which will soon be made public. And it is on this note that I once again congratulate the new resident electoral commissioners, and for everyone else, I thank you and God bless.